Shiba Inu Army, the haters are wrong, and here is why. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we have kind of upgraded the studio since then. We got some lights, we got the plant with the light back there, we got this new like camera setup thing. It's like 4K, it should be really high quality. We're still kind of figuring out some of the kinks and bugs, so please bear with me. But of course, guys, we're here with Shiba Inu. If you guys want to pick up some free stocks, and if you guys want to get a Shiba Inu token as well from all of that, I can tell you a little bit about that. You guys can head over to public.com with the link down in the description below. Hit that link, sign up, deposit $1, and you guys will get a free stock. And when you get that free stock, you can do whatever you want with it. You can hold it, you can sell it. What I did is I sold my free stock and bought some Shiba Inu with it, and I basically got some free Shiba Inu in the process. Again, Shiba Inu was just recently listed on public.com, and you guys can hop on there and start buying and selling it whenever you guys would like, guys. So if you guys want to do that, it's a win-win for both of us. Not only does it help support the channel, but it also, of course, will get you guys a free stock and maybe even some free Shiba Inu if you guys hop on there as well. So either way, hop down there, do whatever you want with the link. I don't care, obviously, at the end of the day, but I would really appreciate it very much so if you guys would do that. Let's talk Shiba Inu though, guys. There's a lot of haters right now. This is gonna be more of a kind of an interesting video because I wanna actually talk a little bit about the FUD that's going on in the market right now and just kind of everything in between. So we know that for the most part, right, that there are not many haters around right now. And that's kind of a good thing, right? Because what we saw in the kind of euphoria of the first rally, right, about a month ago, we saw a lot of people kind of FOMOing in, right? Kind of wanting to not miss out on all of the exciting stuff that was happening with Shiba Inu Coin at the time. And because of that, obviously, we had a lot of new holders. We had a lot of people who just either aren't familiar with this coin or aren't even familiar with crypto in general. This is the first crypto project they've ever invested in general. And they're hopping in, right? They're like, hey, let me get in on this. Let me start trading. Let me see what I can do. And for the most part, you know, that's fun. It's exciting. It's awesome. Maybe they made some money in the original rally if they got in at a certain point, and maybe they're up now, right? Maybe they made some money right now. But again, the point here is that there's a lot of new people, and that's not a bad thing. It's a good thing, right? But at the end of the day, the new people are sometimes going to see things like where we're at right now, where we're kind of down 8% on the day. Again, some negative kind of news there, unfortunately, and just again, there's dips, right? And that's I try to make this clear in every video that if you are new to the markets, which it seems that some of you might be, right? Some of you might be new to the markets as far as crypto or stocks go, whatever it might be, and you're not familiar with how crypto works or how stocks work or how anything financial assets work. Financial assets go up and down at the end of the day, right? It's that simple. They go up and they go down. They have huge pumps and they can have huge dumps. Some stocks or crypto stay up high for a long time. Some stay down low for a really long time. Some trade up and down every single day. And I think Shiba Inu is a very interesting case because we have a coin now that has run up over, you know, thousands, millions of % on the year. We have the maximum amount of euphoria or happiness rather that people can experience, right, in this market, and people are, I think, right now after these pullbacks and after kind of the substantial loss, I guess, of value from all-time highs. We still aren't even close to being where we were at before though, guys, so keep that in mind. But again, people are concerned, right? They're worried, and I understand your frustration. I understand your worry. I understand why you feel the way you feel, and I don't want any of you guys to think that I need to sell it, I need to get rid of everything, it's never gonna go back up, it's never gonna go, like, calm down. Number one, calm down. And number two, the people who are in our comments or the people who online or wherever you might be getting your information from or whoever you're talking to, they might be trying to tell you, hey, that's a stupid coin anyway, it's a meme coin, it's whatever, it's not gonna do anything at the end of the day, it's just some random coin that really does not matter in the long term of things. Like it's gonna go up big, but it's probably gonna go down even worse. You're gonna lose all your money. Like, they're gonna tell you that stuff, right? Because more than likely they're either jealous, right, that they didn't get in and make those gains in the first place, or they are old-fashioned, right? A lot of these people that we see in this market, guys, are very old-fashioned. They want to sit there all day and hem and haw about how a token named after a dog can literally run to millions of % up, and people became multi-million, even billionaires off this coin if they bought at the right level. And they're upset about that. They're upset that they didn't get to do that. And it becomes a resenting thing where they resent you, the holder, the community, the Shiba Inu Army community, for liking this coin in general and believing in it long term and holding it long term. And again, guys, I've always said this is a multi-year play for me. This is a swing play that will take place over the course of the next couple of years. I'm waiting until this coin hits 1 cent, until it hits $1, or even if it goes beyond that, guys. I'm waiting for Dogecoin type levels, right, where we're you know, pushing past hopefully up to $1, and then I might think about selling, right? But again, I have a long-term vision for this coin. I have a long-term goal for this coin. And this isn't something that I'm just going to day trade or sell out of if we drop significantly. I buy the dips, I buy on red days. Zach and I both buy on the red days on this coin, and we hold, right? That is what we do at the end of the day of this coin. And we keep up to date, right? We read all the news. We make sure that we're well aware of technically and fundamentally what's going on with this coin. So just for some advice, guys, and it's not financial advice, it's just kind of life advice, I guess. You need to be willing to one, have a risk tolerance, right? I'm never going to tell you guys, don't sell the coin, you need to hold forever. You should do what you want to do. At the end of the day, if this coin is too much for you to handle, if you don't want to have to deal with the ups and the downs and the dumps and the pumps and everything in between, if you guys don't want to deal with that and you don't like having your money in that, that's fine. Do what you guys want to do. I'm never going to force you guys or tell you guys to do anything. You guys will need to make your own decisions and research on all of that kind of stuff. But my own risk tolerance, I have money in here that I'm willing to lose, right? I know that if this coin were to go to zero tomorrow, that the money that I have in this coin, I'm willing to lose. Let's just say that. I'm not going to obviously say how much, but I'm willing to lose it. You guys probably wouldn't even want to know how much I'm willing to lose in this coin. But either way, my point is that it's patience, guys. At the end of the day, patience is what pays. And you know, being patient with this coin has rewarded quite a few holders already. Again, it's not guaranteed that that'll happen in the future, right? Who knows what the future holds for this coin, right? It's kind of speculative, I guess, at the end of the day, but it's still something that I want to see through. It's something that I want to see. So again, a lot of people are going to sit there and they're going to try and tell you that, you know, you're wrong and there's no reason that you should be invested in this coin, and just look, there's a lot of things, but hear me on this, guys. Think for yourself. Make your own decisions. Be your own person, and don't listen to your friend who's probably being mean to you anyways and wants you to sell out. So just listen to yourself, listen to your own heart, to your own mind, and make the decision that's right for you. Also, real quick before we wrap this video up, I just want to cover this, and I think it's a pretty good statement as to all the people who want to say FUD, you know, fear, uncertainty, and doubt about this coin, rather than, you know, just leaving it at that. Shiba Inu is still growing, right? We're still having rapid amounts of change happening. We just had the AMC partnership that happened today. We just had a bunch of other big news catalysts that came out really not too long ago. Again, guys, this is still a very exciting time in Shib. The Shiba Inu Twitter account just hit 2 million followers. Again, we're talking all of this stuff, new holder levels, or we hit like 1 million holders not that long ago. Again, guys, this coin is still growing at a pretty rapid pace, and we're still seeing a lot of potential long-term for this coin, and it's something that just excites me beyond all reason. As you can see here, there's a CEO announcement. Again, guys, I'm holding strong. I'm waiting long term. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Again, it's no big deal. But guys, just remember, you know, at the end of the day, you got to listen to yourself, and you got to be able to handle the risk that comes with investing in cryptocurrency, and especially in Shiba Inu. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Make sure to subscribe. Wow, that was a nice little voice crack. Make sure to subscribe. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.